Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both devices, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with the one on HUAWEI. Choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. On an Android though, you need to tap on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HUAWEI, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom to continue. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and choose Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!